This is the best system I've heard for under £3 fitted in a car, bar none. Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Connor. Now I know that was quite a bold statement to make at the video, but it really is one of the best systems for under £3 I've heard in a car, and I've been here 19 years? It's not, yeah, 19 years. So really impressive, very simple system. This car, I'll explain the platform we're sat in because you may have not told from that little intro. It is a 987 Gen 2 Porsche Cayman R in this absolute stunning green colour, and it's had a full audio upgrade, but a very simple system. So starting from the front, now this customer didn't mind us replacing the PCM unit. I'm fully aware that you may want to keep the factory PCM system, but that is actually a weak link in any system, having a factory head unit. So as much as you can make an improved sound system, ideally you want to change it, because the most important piece of the puzzle is the source, as we all know. And this has had the Sony XAV AX5650 model fitted in a matching black fascia, so it does look nice. The illumination of the actual Sony graphical user interface matches the white of the Porsche. It's got a very simple black background, so it is quite a classy looking unit. I don't think it's a bad unit in a Porsche to look at. You know, we can obviously run a system of PCM and it will sound good, but to be quite frank with you, it's not going to sound as good as changing the radio. That's just facts. Starting from the actual audio system we've done, really simple. We changed the tweeters on the top of the dash behind the factory grills for a set of Morel MT450 tweeters. These run fully active, which basically means there's no crossovers on them. They run off their own channels of the amplifier, which I'll explain shortly. We've got the Audison AP8 mid-bass drivers in the front doors to run the low-end bass. And when I say low-end bass, these things are ridiculous. It sounds like you have a subwoofer in the car. Now, I'm going to put that down to the speaker, our installation, and also most importantly, the soundproofing the doors we've done. Fully soundproofed them. You will not get the bass level extension in these cars without fully soundproofing the doors. So we've done 4 layers, outer skin, inner skin, door card twice. So fully soundproof. They sound ridiculous, sound incredible. And then what we've got is all these speakers run off the little, an extremely impressive kicker key amplifier. It's a tiny little 4-channel amp, quite cheap in money wise, and it's got built-in digital signal processing. Now what that means is you plug a microphone in, there's no fancy setup on this. You plug a microphone, put it on the seat, push a button, and then the kicker key listens to the acoustics of the vehicle and sets it all up for you. Not our preferred route. If you look at our videos on our YouTube, you'll see we do a lot of Audison DSPs and we spend hours upon hours tuning it, but that's not always budget friendly. You know, you're talking most of the time £5 upwards for an audio system. This is sub 3k, you know, fitted properly with good equipment, you know. So it's a great little amplifier, really blowing me away from the actual results it's picked up, and to be honest, it's blowing everyone that works here away. The results of this car speak for themselves if you ever had a chance to listen to it. Obviously it sounds incredible in it, so yeah, it sounds lovely. We can do other systems on this, doesn't have to be this system, but this is just one that really works for a good price point. We can obviously tailor a system to what you want in your Porsche platform. You know, this is a Cayman, but we can obviously do the same system in the Boxster and the 911s, 991s, 992s, a lot. Now I'm going to sign off there because customer's already here to collect, so I'm always late with these videos. I tend to wait until the end. I try and do more during the video, but it's not always possible with time restraints. So I'm going to sign off now. It's Connor from John Cleese Car Audio. Don't forget to like and subscribe and get in contact if you like what you see. See you later.